There's semi cricket in the other lane, southbound. We have a semi pulled over right here too.
Dang, he kind of slid.
He broke down.
Oh, he hit a car.
He hit a car.